So, we know that forest species are changing its productivity and distribution, and that changes are boosted and driven somehow for the effects of climate change. And now, from the management and research field, we are starting to move from pure to mixed stands, and we have already some experimental plots to understand better that mixed stands. But there are some species that have lacking that experimental part, as Hans commented before on his presentation. So here, maybe it's a good opportunity for simulation. In that work, what we did was to implement mixed forest growth models into a simulation tool, in order to try to understand how that species work together under different management alternatives. So, regarding that mixed forest growth models, they are made by three main parts: basal area increment, high diameter relationships, and calculations about stand density index. We have all of them parameterized for a total of 29 species mixtures in Spain, and they are complemented with additional equations for estimate volume, biomass, and other interesting variables. What we did was to implement that models in SYMPOSIUM, which is our forest management simulation platform developed by our group. And SYMPOSIUM is being used in different fields like education, research, and also forest management. Both models and the tool is available via its website. And to demonstrate the potential of that, we developed a practical case study. In that case study, we selected 4 different species mixtures. All of them has in common Pinus sylvestris. We selected as a study area Castilla and León, and we select another 6 different forest management guidelines. And we applied the same forest management to all the mixtures. And just a piece of result, we was looking for the forest productivity, and what we found is that 2 out of the 6 forest management guidelines are more productive commonly in all the mixtures we studied. We have more outputs, and all the code, data, and even more graphs like this can be downloaded and accessed via that QR code. Thank you for your attention.